Well, Mansour Paving came on board a couple of years ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, for a relationship I had with another customer. We were given the opportunity to offer them some pricing with regards to their importing from China. We had a good relationship with Ali and his team, and after a few discussions and meetings, we received our first order. Mansour Paving is an importer of stone, pavers, granite, certain other products that are associated in the building industry. One of the major parts of why we work with them is for their importing from China and Europe and places like that. What's very important for their imports is to make sure we hit their deadlines. They're in the building industry. The building industry has very limited time and cut-offs, so it's very important for us to make sure that the importing and the process of importing hits their deadlines. What we do for Mansour Paving and the challenges in today's shipping is basically, China to Australia is fairly simple. It's a very short lead time. The transit is a couple of weeks, so there's no major issues. I think the issue is when we start doing their products from Europe. There's been a lot of changes in regards to transshipment services and direct services, so the challenge there is for us to get it on the right vessels to meet the cut-off times. In regards to shipping generally for Mansour, it's been running fairly smooth. We've been hitting our deadlines. We get ample notice from Ali and the team of when the product's going to be made available from the supplier's factory, etc., etc. So we haven't had any major challenges. I guess Europe is the only one that we've had some challenges with regards to space and equipment and transit times.
My name is Ali Mansour and I'm representing Mansour Paving. Mansour Paving started in the early 90s. Mansour Paving do complete turnkey paving, civil and landscaping packages, and we also supply natural stone, granites, marbles. Then began to expand into supply of granite, marble products for both residential and commercial. And that was through the help of ISS with shipping and logistics. They made it a lot easier for us. So we've been working with ISS for 2 to 3 years now, coming from companies that didn't value us. ISS have been a breath of fresh air, no issues, customer service has been always on point. I entrust ISS shipping with everything, from door-to-door shipments. I literally send one email and I never have to look back. I get weekly updates on where my shipment's at. When there's any delays, I hear within the 24-hour period if there's any delays in shipment, and there are rarely ever any delays because ISS are on point with picking shipments. ISS is very crucial to our business. The supply of granite, marble and all natural stones is a supply and demand industry. It becomes very cutthroat, especially with tier 1 and local government building sites that have certain deadlines to meet. Generally those deadlines are given to us on short time frames, and ISS are able to combat that with selecting the correct shipments and getting our stuff here on time. I highly recommend ISS. In all honesty, they've helped me grow my business. I don't have to worry about shipping at all. They literally deal with everything for me. And it's helped me grow my business in other aspects that I can focus on because they've taken that responsibility for me.